Hey, my name is Brandon Gant. I've been driving from MigWay for about 6 months now. I started at MigWay by getting referred by my buddy Al. He said it was a great money-making company, freedom, just stay safe and drive the truck and you'll be great here. And it's been perfect so far. My favorite part about working with MigWay is just the freedom, the miles, new equipment, maintained. Nobody's up your back about anything. Just stay safe, drive your truck, you'll be perfect. I haven't brought home less than $2K a week. Annually, 6 figures. I've got about 8 years experience and I've gone from food service to delivery to MigWay OTR, and this is definitely the most comfortable situation I've been in my 8 years of driving. Keep the doors closed, get the miles done, and make good money. I'm definitely happy with my home time with MigWay. It varies from week to week, but for the most part, I'm home every weekend. Weekends are good. You can spend time with your family. You're making the money to spend time with your family and do what you want to do. You can still go to basketball games, football games, cheerleading practice. I got 2 daughters at home, 2 years old and 10 years old. You know, I'm able to go to basketball games and take her to practice every now and then. That's really important for me, is family time. So, you know, weekends are perfect. So my motivation is to get home with the family. That's my motivation to keep rolling all week. Money and home time. So home every weekend, you got to drive to get there. MigWay has kept every promise they said when I was coming in. Good equipment, good miles, good pay. All the promises has been met. I definitely would recommend MigWay to friends and family. I wish I had more that had their CDL, but I'm pushing them to get it. Best company I've worked for so far, no comparison. You're definitely able to ask for help from anybody. The doors are open, from dispatch to management to whoever. They'll answer your call, nighttime, daytime, weekends. You always got somebody you could call. I feel like friendly competition is always good when you're out here on the road for hours and hours. Somebody to talk to. Me and my buddy, we have a competition on miles, you know, who gets the most, who's bringing the most money, but I'm always winning. It's all in fun. You might not be on the same highway, but just keeping each other up and seeing who can get the most miles by the end of the week, and enjoy your family when you get home.